Greetings, Ben Murray here with another edition of SaaS Metrics School. Today, what is this chart of accounts that I hear everybody talk about? Well, maybe not everybody, but CFOs like to talk about it. Accounting professionals like to talk about it. So the chart of accounts is so important. It forms the foundation of our accounting. So if our chart of accounts is wrong or not detailed enough or just too generic, our SaaS P&L could be too generic, our financial analysis could be too generic, our metrics could be misleading. So it is the accounting foundation within our SaaS company. So the chart of accounts is simply a numerical listing of our income statement, our P&L accounts to the balance sheet. So we're listing out all these accounts, and that's where accounts put the debits and credits during the monthly close process. So all those debits and credits are going to these GL accounts, which make up our chart of accounts. So again, it's a numerical listing with then a name. Say, for example, account 4000 is recurring revenue or subscription revenue. 4001 is professional services revenue, and so on. So each of these listings has a numerical account associated, and that's where our debits and credits go to. So why is the chart of accounts important? Because we need a nice balance there. If we're going to do some nice financial analysis from our financials, we need enough detail in that expense coding, in that revenue coding to do financial analysis. If we want to roll up a nice SaaS P&L and we want to show revenue by our major revenue categories, we need good coding of our revenue streams. So it's important to create the SaaS P&L for the financial analysis and all the SaaS metrics that will flow from our P&L data and the chart of accounts. So it's really important with our chart of accounts that we have revenue coded correctly. Again, think about our major revenue categories. If we have subscriptions, usage revenue, services, managed services, hardware, whatever it might be, we want those coded in detail in our general ledger in our chart of accounts so that we can roll it up the proper way on our SaaS P&L. Same thing for expense. We want bonuses separate from commissions. We want good detail on marketing spend. So there's certain areas that I look at, especially in the employee related area, benefits, wages, taxes, commissions, bonuses. We want good detail there. We want good detail on marketing spend. And we also want to code our expenses to the department level. Now, this is an additional dimension on top of the chart of accounts where we can code all expenses to a department, which then it's easy to roll up our SaaS P&L, and then also, of course, flows into our financial analysis and SaaS metrics calculations. So that's why you hear about the chart of accounts. That's where we're making all our debits and credits. And it's essential to get this correct within SaaS, and that we don't take the out of the box chart of accounts from whatever accounting software that you're using. So a little bit about the chart of accounts and why that is important to our accounting foundation today. Hope you enjoyed the episode.